Bonjour! This week we started and continued with working on our guest house. Also because we are still waiting for delivery of some parts of the kitchen, and as we will expect friends and family over the upcoming months to visit our homestead for the first time, we want to make it a home for them too in our guest house. So we start painting everything from the ceiling to the walls, fixing the electricity to a modern standard, and of course collecting and buying furniture and decorations to make it a cozy place.
Oh, I'm going a bit out of the sun, because otherwise... Hi, bonjour. I want to give you an update on our guest house. It's quite a difference since we gave our tour.
And now we're going back to the 70s with this lovely light over here. It's a fish. Matching wallpapers. You have really beautiful wallpaper, but it actually is also on the ceiling. Good floor here. I think.
You see, that's how it was. So I want to take you in and see what we are going to do with the guest house and how far we are now with updating and renovating it. So come, let's go. So as you can see, it's quite a mess now. But first you create chaos before you can create beauty. So let me tell you what we did. You see, there's no big cabinet over here anymore. And also, there is no wallpaper anymore. Well, we had to remove it because it was really old on the floor. We had to remove it. And then what I did just today, I'm filling up the holes and some cracks. It's the first round, so when it's dried tomorrow, I will put in another layer so you cannot see it anymore. But also it's part of a French house, the charm, right? So, and on the other side, well, there's still wallpaper, but we're going to paint over it because it's not fresh anymore. So what now I'm going to do is also here the wallpaper on the bottom part. It's loose because there was always a little bit of damp and it loosens itself. So it's not useful for now to paint over it. So I'm going to remove it till this height. I'm going to paint the top part and also the bottom part, but I'm going to make something with wood. Ooh. As it was sunny outside, our cats enjoyed being outside in the little own guest house. When cleaning the guest house, I found a lucky penny, or in French, un centime chanceux. It's a 10 centimia from 1967. found these spare revolved parts, and I think I'm going to use them lying on the wall. I have them here. I have some linseed oil and I put them in there. I brush them.
As we are also waiting on our big lawnmower, it's over a month already, we had to buy a bush trimmer so we can keep up with the growing grass in the garden. And I needed some clippings for the vegetable garden, so anyway this tool was definitely a good addition for the garden. Let's find out how it's working. As I want to start our veggie garden this year, it was about time to do some pre-seeding. I will wait for the St. Ice Saints, 11, 12 and 13 of May, as these are the last days of spring in the Northern Hemisphere when night frost can still occur, so the seedlings can have another couple of weeks to grow indoors. As this is one part of living more self-sufficient, another part is generating our own energy. We will eventually put solar panels on a rack in a garden, but for now we have our backup system with portable solar panels. We unpacked it and gave it a try to see if everything is still working after being in storage for almost 8 months. And on a sunny day, that is the perfect thing to test. Angelo will create a kind of tech room where all the home batteries and other equipment will be stored. It will then provide the house with additional power when we have solar power available. So still a lot to do, but we enjoy it every day. Hopefully with more sunny days and a bit warmer weather. So I hope you liked the little update on how we are doing our guest house. We want to give the guest house a name. It can be something French. If you have any suggestions for that, put it in the comments. We also like to hear from you. It's always nice to have a little chit chat, right? So if you have any funny names or anything you pops in your mind, let us know. It's really nice to see those names. Enjoy your day, and we see you back next week with another video of us living our first year on a homestead. Bonne journée!